Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to change lock screen clock on Android. Okay, first things first, start on your Android's device home screen. Open the apps menu which contains all your apps. Scroll through your apps and locate the settings app. Tap on it to open your device settings. In the settings menu, just scroll down to find the lock screen section. It might be located under display or a similar category depending on your device. Here, what you can do is to customize your themes, magazine unlock, wallpapers, and icons. What you want to press is themes, and you will be able to change the theme of your lock screen clock. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now change lock screen clock on Android. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.